Those are great people from Democracy for D.C., and they are delivering 400,000 signatures, 70,000 of which were achieved in the last week, to support the public health insurance option. Let Americans decide. 72% of Americans believe that they ought to have the choice. Not bureaucrats in the insurance companies, not the Congress, not people who take money from the insurance companies. That the people who want to make that choice are the American citizens. They voted for change we can believe in, and now we want change that we can believe in. So thank you, D.C. for Democracy, and thank you, Democracy for America. Thank you, HCAN, and thank you to the labor movement of the United States of America for putting this all together. There are going to be a lot of workshops afterwards. I'm doing one for nurses and doctors along with some other folks. We want you to go to the workshops that you care about. This is a gathering of ordinary Americans who are petitioning their government. 72%. 72%. What part of 72% do you not understand? We're not asking for a specific system. We want to be able to choose. Trust the American people. For too long we've had elections, and then people go back to Washington and think, okay, the election is over. We don't have to wonder anymore. This is just the beginning. We don't just need, this is an incredible rally, but this is not good enough. Every day we're going to be on the internet. Every day we're going to be on email. Every day we're going to write our congresspeople. Every day we're going to make phone calls. This is a government that we elected for real change. We want that change now. Now, we know that the Republicans are doing everything to say no. They're well organized. They care more about the health insurance industry than they do about the public. They do. They are in the insurance industry's public pocket. They don't care. What about the Democrats? You all voted for Democrats. Democrats won overwhelmingly. We didn't just win in New York and California and Michigan. We won in North Carolina. We won in Delaware. We won in Indiana. We won in Montana. We won in North Dakota. Boy, I better be careful of doing these lists, shouldn't I? We won everywhere. 50% of Republicans believe that Americans ought to have the choice between what they have today and a public insurance option. What we say is we are here. We're not going away. We voted for change a few months ago. We expect change. And if we don't get it, there's going to be more change. We want public health insurance option now. We want to choose. The American people can be trusted. We grew this movement. We're going to keep this movement. The Senate works for us, not the other way around. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, I just want to say in closing, thank you, everybody. We have the most, as I said, the incredible HCAN coalition here in the state of Maryland. We've gotten 9 out of our 10 members of Congress to sign on. We've got leaders in our delegation and folks who have an impact and are on the key committees and are leading the fight. Thank you for being a part of this. Thank you for coming out today, and on to victory.
I'm close. I'm almost there.
Okay, I'm ready. Okay, I'm just waiting for some more people. Okay. Because there were other people.
There she is.